Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I made a video using the perspective tool and using indexing lines. So if you got an item selected, go to Object, go to Perspective and add perspective. And I showed where you could have these snap to these indexing lines. But I started thinking there's got to be a way to do it. And if you hold down the Control and the Shift key at the same time, they will grow together independently, but together. I mean, it doesn't matter if you grow inward or outward, they're going to do that. Especially if you're not using indexing lines and you want it equal. See, I didn't hold down the key, but if I hold down the two keys, it'll grow evenly from both directions. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.